pretty much done here. As you can see, we're holding our form pretty good with the ice cream. Our time's up, so I'm ready to take this out. Anzo is going to kind of fold in our streusel as we go through. And I'm just going to kind of fold it in a little at a time. You want to make sure that you're not beating the air out of this. You're kind of just folding it, filling in the gaps, rolling it through, making it nice and pretty. You can see we got a nice creamy ice cream. How much streusel? I don't know, it's up to you. The nice part about when you make ice cream, and this is the beautiful part about building your own brand, is when you develop your flavor, you're the only one where people can get it. So whatever you develop is yours. So if people get hooked on your flavor, your ice cream, guess where they can go? Only your store. So we're going to add a little bit to the top. Beautiful. And we have beautiful Cinnabon ice cream.